Francoise Bettencourt Meyers is a French businesswoman, philanthropist, writer, pianist, and billionaire heiress, born on July 10, 1953. She is the only child and heiress of Liliane Bettencourt. Her grandfather, Eugène Schuller, was the founder of L'Oréal, a French corporation specializing in personal care products. Francoise is the vice chairman of the company. She was raised to be a strict Catholic and has written several Bible commentaries. Francoise Bettencourt Meyers is the wealthiest woman in the world, with an estimated net worth of $75.3 billion. She inherited her enormous wealth from her grandfather. She is married to Jean-Pierre Meyers, and they have two children, Jean-Victor and Nicolas.